Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Warrimoo for another part, and Paul's Train Vlogs has passed 3,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs yet, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Hope you see some intercity fee sets at Warrimoo. So anyway viewers, sit back and enjoy. Anyway viewers, we have ourselves a 4-car marker for the V sets, and it'll stop in the same spot as a forthcoming 6-car U Intercity Fleet D sets. Just going to take a walk up here. And you may notice the Oscar H set 8-car marker is painted over and replaced by this 8-car 10-car marker fence post sign. Just give you a nice overview of Warrimoo. Of course, platform 1's for services to Central, and platform 2's for services to Katoomba, Mount Victoria and Lithgow. Anyway, viewers, that's all for the video, as there's not much train activity I can film, so I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.